All right, welcome to the last week, week 8. And this week we're going to talk about big data and analytics, and basically spend this last eighth section on the technologies that are inherent in coming to fruition and coming into the fore with because of the availability of big data and our ability to use that data. We're going to also weave in sort of the search technologies and social media and some of those other technologies that have come about really at the same time and contribute a lot into what would be an analytics-driven element of the competitive advantage we want to provide to the company from our IT and our enterprise architecture. So that's going to be the scope of the topics this week. The same kinds of things that we've done every other week. We're going to have a discussion question, an assignment really asking you to think through some of the social network technologies and how they're used. And then we're going to be done. So that'll be it for week 8. So welcome to week 8 and have fun.